Welcome students to this second lecture on engineering graphics on unit number 2, Introduction to CAD. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn some of the basic commands which are required for drawing a, any object two-dimensional drawing with the help of a software which is associated with computer-aided drafting. Now, CAD means computer aided design also. CAD means computer aided drawing. Generally, it is known as computer aided drafting. So, we are going to learn that particular thing in this particular lecture. Now, what are the CAD? The CAD stands for your computer aided design, computer aided drafting. Okay, in sometimes you might have heard about the CADD or CAE, that is computer aided drafting design, as well as computer aided engineering. Okay, so whenever it is coming computer aided engineering, then it is drafting as well as having certain kind of analysis of it. But we will restrict our discussion to the very basic and fundamental commands which are used with which you can whatever draw with the help of manual drawing that can be drawn with the help of these computer commands. Now these elements of computer, as far as CAD system is concerned, we will need a computer. That may be any kind of desktop PC or maybe any kind of laptop or any other thing. The input devices through which we can give the commands is nothing but mouse and keyboard. Output devices, that means we can have the plotting or printing of any kind of whatever the figure, whatever the drawing which we have generated, which we have created, and the operating softwares which are needed, that is Windows XP, Mac OS X, Unix, Linux, and on every operating system you can run this particular, you can say, commands. But generally in our cases we are using the Windows softwares with which we can run this particular software. Windows, you can say, operating system with which we can run this software. CAD and CAE applications, we can have the AutoCAD software, we can have the TurboCAD software, we can have, now these are the other softwares which are computer aided engineering softwares, from this one, from ProE as well as SolidWorks and many others. Basic software we are concentrating on AutoCAD here. CAD software which commands to generate the two-dimensional geometries in AutoCAD, and in three-dimensional. In AutoCAD also three-dimensional geometries can be created, but some modeling softwares are there in which we can create the three-dimensional geometries very easier when as compared to CAD, that is AutoCAD. Functions for controlling of views, modifications and changing of drawing geometry, and annotation commands for adding text, dimensions and notes. The use of CAD has revolutionized the engineering graphics. Means it has been very become faster that we can edit the existing drawings, we can change the existing drawing within a fraction of seconds. Whatever the entities like line, circle, any kind of arc, any kind of geometrical figure, polygons, that whatever we are going to draw it, that will be having the great accuracy, speed, as well as there are no mistakes. And another important thing is that with a great accuracy it can be drawn, and the change in it can be easily possible one. Therefore, instead of manual drawing, the CAD drawing has been useful one. So starting with the AutoCAD, you will get such a kind of window as far as AutoCAD, any kind of version, maybe 2016, 15, 17, whatever it may be, is considered one. And here, whatever the black, here these are certain kind of toolbars. This is one toolbar, this is another toolbar, these are some other toolbars, these are some pop up or pop down menus which are available one. This has been again, you can say, enlarged one. So this is AutoCAD 2006. There are right now 2020 softwares which are available in the market. So this is I'm just talking about which are important one. This is the draw toolbar which is available one. This is draw toolbar, draw. Try to remember this one, with which we can draw the various entities. And this is the modify toolbar. We can change the various entities with the help of this modify toolbar. These are the two toolbars which are very important, but try to remember this one. These are the two toolbars which are very important. Modify toolbar. Now here And these are the other things like layers, you can say the line types, the line weights. You can add it, you can add the text, you can have the calculator, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can here see your files, save your files, print your files, plot your files. The other things like cut, copy, paste, the match properties, undo, redo, all kinds of things are available here in this file, edit, insert, then this tools, draw. This draw toolbar is also available under this pop down menu, this draw toolbar commands. This modify toolbar commands, this toolbar commands can be available here in this pop down menu. Okay, so like that one various pool this that is pull down menus, you can say. I'm not saying pop up, pop down, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is the command line, you can type your commands here. This is your coordinating display, that is the x, y and z coordinates can be displayed. This is the status line, that what is the current status, which command is going on, that can be continuously shown. And this is the drawing area. Actually this is the total drawing area, wherever see here this pentagon is drawn, this rectangle is drawn, like that one. Okay, object properties toolbars are also available one here. So there are so many things, but as a first year engineering student, we are restricting ourselves to learn very few commands which are required one for engineering graphics purpose only, as per your requirement of the curriculum. And then the mechanical, electrical, electronics, IT, electronics, production, civil, these engineering students are going to learn again in second year this particular AutoCAD software in detail. And subsequently it will be useful for you as per your area of interest in your future career. These are the AutoCAD toolbars which are used. But now see here, this is the draw toolbar, in which this is the line command, this is the polyline command. Okay, this is the command which is this is construction line. Actually this is polyline, this is polygon command, this is rectangle command, this is arc command. Just try to see, it is very difficult one for me to write it down. This is the circle command, this is the rev cloud command, this is the spline command. So these are the various things. This is the text command, uh, this is the hatched command. Then these are the other, you can say, commands which are very important one. So this is coming under this draw toolbar. Okay, this is important one. Another thing is you can resize this double bar cursor and all that things, that is very important one. But modify toolbar, what is included in the modify toolbar? Now here you can have the option like this is the uh, erase toolbar, this is copy toolbar, this is mirror toolbar. Uh, you cannot say tool, but this is actually cursor or tool. This is offset, this is array, this is move, this is rotate, this is scaling, this is stretch command, this is trim command, this is extend command, single point break, double point break, fillet, chamfer, explode. These are the various commands. Try to remember. You can again try to go back and try to see that what is each command I have just said. So these are the modifications which we can make to our existing drawing. Now if you wanted to erase something, you can go for this command. If you wanted to copy one object from, suppose I have drawn this particular circle and I want the same kind of circle here, so I can select the copy command. It will ask me which object you wanted to copy, so I have to select this one with the help of a cursor, and from wherever I wanted to click it here, then again the same thing will be repeated here. Just try to remember. I will try to show you the video also of this one, that how these commands can be used in actual case. But for the time being, try to remember. Again I'm repeating this command. This is erase, this is copy, this is mirror, this is offset, this is array, this is rotate, this is move, this is rotate, this is scale, this is stretch, this is trim, this is extend, break at a point, break at a 2 point, chamfer, fillet and explode. So try to remember all these commands. That is very important one. uh, Start a new drawing. So here this particular slide is explaining you that whenever you wanted to start a new drawing, what you need to do in this particular software, pull down menu, you need to go to file and say new. Then using this quick new tool, such a kind of or you can say type new in the command line, you will be getting the window like or it will ask you directly to select the template. So from this available templates, you cannot, it is not compulsory for you to select this template, but with the help of this available templates you can go for selection of the templates. This appears after the new file command. A template is a standard format. For now, suggest using the CAD.dwt template. Click open to start the new drawing. Name and save drawing. Open a new drawing results in this default of a drawing and new drawing. So this cursor, this will be appearing. Naming AutoCAD files not case sensitive. Any combination of letters and numbers. You need to save it. That is important one. Only don't use this percentage, stars, etc. Now you need to first of all go for selecting your units, that in which units you wanted to work. So select format, from the format select units, and from the units select this decimal as well as insertion scale. You can go for this one. You can go for inches on in millimeters, precision up to 2 decimals, precision up to 4 decimals, whatever it will be, you can going to select that one. Then after selecting this one, you can go for selection of decimal degrees, that in which way, either in counterclockwise, clockwise, in which way you are going to consider it with the help of this particular whatever the two window screenshots which are shown here. Now standard paper sizes which are available one, you can going to select that, that is A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Now there are different standards for USA, this is for ISO 216. So we are generally using this one, that is A2 size paper as far as for our engineering graphics subject. But the people are generally using A1 also, this engineering students, architectural students, maybe A0 and A1 is very familiar one with them. No problem. In engineering, that may be mechanical also, they will be using, if at all they have to draw the detailed drawing as well as assembly drawing with the help of all the details in industrial industries are considered one. Drawing limits you need to set as far as why drawing limits, because if you are going to select the template, then there is no need to have these limits because template already is taking care of that one. But if at all you are not going to select the template, then you need to select the drawing limits, and inside which in that particular limits only you need to your drawing should be included. So that can be again selected with the help of format drawing limits. It will ask you lower left corner, then give 0 comma 0 comma 0, and then it will ask you upper right corner, that is two zeros only because third zero, that is third dimension, is not available. And upper right corner it will be again whatever 11.8.5 here. 12 and 9 it is taking by default, you just have to do this one. So this grids and snaps that can be made on, that is F7 sets grid on and off, F9 sets snap on and off, which will be visualized on screen, that is on and off. Making this on and off, grid is just a visual aid for your drawing which will give you that where to locate and how to locate the things. Snap allows you to specify precise coordinates when using the mouse, that is object snap. They are modified with the grid and snap commands, neither affect anything already drawn. They can be changed on the fly. Function keys set grid and snap. Modes on and off. F7 is the shortcut key which is used one for making or setting the grid on and off, and F9 is the shortcut key for making the snaps mode on and off. So F7 sets grid mode on and off. F9 sets snap mode on and off. So here this is right now grid set to 10 millimeter and snap set to 20 millimeter. That is the only change which is available one. Now the first drawing, whatever you can draw it, fire up AutoCAD. So here it has been layer you are going to select to make a new drawing using a CAD.dwt. Save the file that has been shown. Make a new layer called object. Now what do you mean by layer? Layer means what? Here these are nothing but the transparent sheets like this. This is the first transparent sheet. This is the second transparent sheet like this one. Okay. So these are the various transparent. So whenever you want to observe from this one, all these transparent sheets will be placed one over the other, so that you are going to draw the dimensions here, object here, its dimension here. If a third layer is available here, center lines will be here, hidden lines will be there, and they all are clubbed as a one sheet here, so that you are going to get a single entity, that is an object along with its center line, hidden line, dimensions, etc., whatever it may be. So it is the combination of all this one, that is all the layers in it, like this one. Is this clear? So that is the thing, and the observer can observe the things on that particular layer in an easier way. That is the thing. So first drawing, so layer one type of object. So here the layer has been created, and what is the color for that layer that has been selected with that for this particular three windows. Okay. After this one, the first drawing, select the object. This hit the save tool. Use the drawing tools to make some shapes and lines that fill a significant portion of the screen. So here on this particular thing, we have the drawing like circle, drawing like hexagon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 it is not hexagon, it is a polygon having the seven sides. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes. So in this way, this has been created. Again, this particular two lines, these are two lines are created one, and that has been saved here. It has been saved again, and it has been saved in that particular layer, which is having a green color like this one. Okay, therefore this has been green. Okay, so this is the drawing toolbar. Already I have told you this is the draw toolbar. This is the modify toolbar. That's already I have named that particular thing. This is modify toolbar. Toolbar. Okay. Then this with the pull down menu, multi-line text can be created from the m text. That is what is the name, that what is the size of the name, 25 15 to 25. So that this multi-line text can be created. You can type in this one, that is what is the size of that particular text. You can change the style of what kind of things you want. What is the uh, font size, what is the font type of that particular text, what is the color of that text. You can select anything here, or it will be by default as well as layer is considered one. Okay, so this has been typed here in the text box. This is the text box in which this has been typed: Bruce Mayer, P 21st July 07 ENGR22 HW1. So everything has been typed here as far as file name, first name, last name, date, class ID, then HW, that is homework number. And clicking outside the box, this will be appeared like this one. Okay, then in the command line type zoom, it will be the sheet counter. Then it will be showing you that whether you wanted to have the zoom in or out. So it has been zoomed in larger way, so that you can see that whatever has been drawn, circles, polygons, these lines, as well as whatever is written in the multi-line text. Then with the help of this, use the pull down menu, you can plot this by whatever you have drawn. So for that one, go to file. Here this is the file. From the file, go to plot, and in the plot you can choose the page setup. You can choose the plot style, plot area, which kind of page size will be there. And then after all, this CAD, it will be asking you about what is the printer name, what is the again page setup, in which way you wanted to have it. Then have the print dialog box, pick up the copy, and then you have just you can take your print of this particular whatever you drawn in the CAD. This is your sheet, which you will get in printed format. Okay, as far as the CAD drawing is considered. So in this way, we can make the use of this computer aided drafting software for drawing the objects, two-dimensional views. You can draw the three-dimensional views also with the help of this one, with greater accuracy at a faster rate, and the editing as well as changing the things a bit little easier one as compared to the manual drawing. These are the three basic advantages which are important one as far as computer aided drawing is considered one. This is the reference from which I have taken this particular all the slides. So that is thank you to this particular person who has made this one, the slideshare I have taken it. So thank you very much. We will again meet with the help of a different video on the unit number 3, which is an important aspect as far as your engineering curves are considered one, and that will be shared by me very soon. So thank you very much.